on, Mommy. Emmy,
What?
get the doggy. Get the doggy.
Emmy, gonna get the doggy? Where, Emmy?
What happened to her bag? I'm gonna go get her a new bag.
Want to do the funniest thing ever?
Oh.
What does she need a bag for?
I don't know. Emmy. Oh, there you go.
What the hell?
Come on.
You? I don't know why, but the idea of Naruto and Sasuke playing a dancing game sounds hilarious too. Not as funny as when we were gonna do Superior and Zayax as it.
Oh. She's scared of Bonnie.
Issa, remember with the rap stuff in this one?
She usually
Aw.
plays with it. Come on, Emmy, get the bag. You know you wanna.
Oh.
Ninja cat. Her little claws are too small to start ruining furniture.
You mean, remember when we were gonna do the rap?
Yes, yes, yes.
Superior and Zayax. We should still do that at some point in time.
Are you stuck to the chair, baby? No, she's okay. Oh.
Hey, sweetie. Oh, she smells her sissy on me.
Oh.
It's big for that now.
No, she can still get under there.
One of these days she is going to be too big. She'll be able to get under there but not back out. Oh, Bonnie, you're trying to be all cute. Be like, give me attention.
It's actually really bad for her to play with the bag.
She doesn't get hurt or anything with it.
Does she chew it?
No, she claws it.
See, just like that.
Emily.
Hi, Bonbon. I'm allergic to you, Bonbon.
Don't run away from my love.
She's so skittish.
Yeah.
But yeah, Abby, they keep changing color. The kitties keep changing color. Because Emmy's gray spots are getting darker and her orange spots are getting lighter. And
Oh. Climb.
And Navi's turning vanilla colored, kind of.
This is my little kitten.
Then she's gone.